Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my channel on a very special video with the Glitter Glirz Love and Good Vibes collaboration. Today I will be using nothing but water decals and my clear jelly big bling. I keep all my water decals in this case that carried some polishes, and I totally need a new place for them because they come with clear backings and they're just flopping around everywhere. So I am going to prep these demo tips with a base coat, and I will just go ahead and get started with the base color nail design. I'm not doing anything in particular, just whatever comes to me, and I will be experimenting with a lot of gel pots just to see what colors go with which, what works and what doesn't. So I am starting with this beautiful bright neon pink from Modelones, which I am obsessed with. Takes all I have not to do my nails with this color because I'm always doing purples and pinks. So yeah, I hope everyone is doing well, and please go ahead and check out all of the girls who participated in the collaboration. I have the playlist in my description below. They all did an amazing job, and I love being a part of this group. So go ahead and check them out. It is awesome, awesome nail art. I have been obsessing over this glitter green, and I had to use it in this collaboration. I can't get enough of how beautiful, sparkly it is, and like I said, with the gold and green glitters as well as the holographic glitters. It is my favorite gel pot that I have right now. And right here, I am just creating a little silhouette, like a V-neck, and I'm going to place some flowers right there. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. God. I can't believe my Model 1's brush that came in my first gel pot kit completely broke. And all I was doing was just extending it out just a little bit more. This is about my 5th use with this brush, and it just totally deconstructed and clonked out, which is sucky because I actually liked how it painted the nails, but this is all about good vibes, so we're just going to move on to my uber chic gel brush, which is much better and more firm anyway. But yeah, it was kind of a sad story to see that clonk out on me in the midst of these nails, but had to keep that in for you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you have this brush and if it's done the same thing to you. So I am just going to finish off these nail tips, and we will get right into the water decals. I am obsessed with Model 1's gel pots. The pigmentation and the colors is just out of this world. I love combining them, and to my surprise, they all really go well together. So like I said, I am just playing around with these colors. Nothing in mind or anything in particular, just going with the flow. Positive vibes and energy. I love my nail tips. These are actually my last few, and I told myself I would finish the nail tips. It came with 100, so I've already finished almost all of them. And now I am going to invest into a silicone hand. Oh yes, I'm so excited, and there's a few I have in mind. So I am just doing my research right now, and I'm pretty sure It's gonna happen. So let me know in the comments below if you have a silicone hand and what brand it is. Alright, so I picked out these water decals to match the nails that I did. I thought that the colors really matched well. So I am going to cut these out and dip them into water. This is what the nails look like after their top coat, and I put another base coat on there for these decals. So in this video, you're going to see some major trial and error. I am not the best with working with stickers. As you can see, it's just a no-go for me. It's probably because, one, the decal is too big, but it just doesn't lay down properly, and I thought I took off the white backing, but apparently these decals have a clear backing as well, and I can't seem to take off the clear backing for it to lay down on the nail. I have no idea. So I am just going to take smaller decals, repeat the process, dab the excess water. There's nothing on there, no water. And I stamp down. And this one actually works. It works. So I think it has to do with maybe the size and the shape, but yes, let me know in the comments below, do water decals have two backings, a paper back and a clear backing? Because I can only see the white paper back that I'm removing. But yes, this is a trial and error. I'm still getting the hang of water decals. I had to actually stop recording and go live on Instagram with the help of Faye, Cami, Kathy, and just so many girls came on that live and helped me with decals. I ended up getting sick of it, and I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna top coat this and cure it, and hopefully it lays down with the top coat. I had to press down with this cuticle pusher and cure as fast as possible, and that ended up working. So with this one, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to wipe off the excess water, take off the white paper backing, but this time I'm going to pick it up with the stamper, get a clear regular polish, swipe that over the decal, and then stamp. So it's a little bit different, and to my surprise, it actually flippin' works. So maybe that's my problem, is it's not sticky, getting enough stickiness for the decal to stick to the nail. So off camera, I added on these two butterflies, that beautiful rose, and some other floral images. And like I said, I went off live, so that was those decals I did with the girls I went live with. So now I'm back to practice on my own because I think I adapted some skills. Thank you, girls, for helping me. So let's do it. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any tips and tricks with working with water decals, or if you are having the same issues. I love hearing from you guys.
You'll see me flying, never drop down, smoking high.
I purchased these water decals off of Amazon, and they came in a pack of 50, and I really love the images. I think they're super bright and you can really see the images. I wish I could get them to stamp down smooth like the smaller images. These florals are perfect, and so are the butterflies. But as for the geishas and the bigger floral images, they just are not like this one. They are not sticking down to the nail as smoothly as the butterflies or the smaller florals. But like I said, I don't know if that's a me issue or the water decals issue. I purchased a few more from a different brand, so I'm going to see if that has the same issue as these. But this butterfly, it stamps down perfectly, like just perfect. So yeah, it may just be a me problem. But regardless, I love all of the decals. I love floral images and butterflies, and I feel these nails are screaming good vibes and positive energy. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. Alright everyone, this completes my positive vibe, good energy nail set, and I absolutely love all of the bright colors. It's ending summer in the perfect way because we are now in fall. Can you believe it? I can't. My lord, I can't. But yeah, everyone, please check out all of the wonderful girls who are in this amazing Glitter Girls collab. Everyone killed it as always, and I love being a part of this. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and taking the time to watch this video. I will link the playlist to everyone's video in my description below. Thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Be safe and happy Friday. Bye.